Need to take money out of your business for personal use but aren't sure how to record it properly? If the difference between a draw and a salary confuses you, you're not alone. Today, we're correctly recording an owner's draw in QuickBooks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. An owner's draw is a withdrawal of equity, not a business expense. It's simply moving money from the business to the owner. The method: use an equity account. For sole proprietors and partnerships, you should have an owner's draw equity account. To record a draw, create a check or an expense. Instead of categorizing it to an expense account, assign it to this owner's draw equity account. The important detail: payee is you. The payee on the check or expense should be you, the owner. This clearly documents that the funds were transferred out of the business for personal use. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: do not categorize draws as expenses. Mixing personal draws with business expenses will seriously distort your profit and loss report, making your business look less profitable than it is. It also creates a major headache during tax season. Always use the dedicated equity account. So, just like that, you can pay yourself while keeping your business finances clean and compliant. A clear separation goes a long way in understanding your true business performance. Now I'm curious, are you a sole proprietor, LLC, or corporation? How does that affect how you pay yourself? Let's discuss in the comments. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.